I actually quit. Hi, baby. We're starting in the car. It's gonna be a treat yourself kind of Monday because I've been doing really, really well with eating at home, etc., etc. However, I'm only doing well when I'm actually like at home and have no early mornings. Today I had a bit of an early morning after a bit of a late night. I was literally 5 minutes away from Blackbird, my favorite spot. The one that has the everything donut. I'm obsessed. I also got a lavender matcha. Oh, wow. We're driving today. Summer teaching season has begun, meaning I have like not a lot of students, so gotta make money somehow. Because my last name means iron. We're low late this morning because it's cloudy outside. Sorry. I'm making coffee right now because I have to leave in like 10 minutes to go do a drive job. It is a teaching day. I do still have some students over the summer, just not many. This week, we have an Improbable Beast concert. Not only that, but we have released two albums on Clairvoyant Records. You can listen to it now. Link is in the description. Double release. So excited. I just need Shibui to release an album, and then all 4 of my ensembles this year will have released an album. So with an album release usually comes an album release concert, and that's what we're doing this week. It's a rainy Tuesday. I'm about to put on my official Rocky Horror Picture Show hoodie. Don't dream it, be it. It is. Oh, wait. It's kind of cold. Oh, it's so soft. It is raining though, like actively raining, but not very hard. And it's supposed to stop in about 10 minutes. A little word about 75 hard. I did 15 days. Ow. In a row. I'm taking breaks, but I'm not gonna. Oh my god, it's covered in animal fur. Whatever. I have an occupation, sometimes several. I've had to practice. I've had to travel for gigs. I've had to go and teach. It's expensive to live. Colin is gone for still a couple days. He's been out of town in Arizona. And then I'm leaving for the weekend to go camping. I'm not going to be able to do 75 days in a row. I thought that like once my teaching schedule got lighter, I would have more time, but I actually have less time. My schedule's just different. I was out of my house from 9 in the morning to 9 at night working, and then I had a little like clarinet dinner. We're not supposed to have cheat days, but I'm doing 75 hard my way. I don't know how the rest of this week is gonna go like time-wise, because it is really hard when you work at 9 in the morning and you don't get home until 9 at night. When you have like the full day and then you get home, like home time is like relax time, and it's really hard to do stuff like working out. So I'm gonna do my 45-minute walk right now. This is where I am. It's officially stopped raining. Hopefully this boardwalk isn't slippery. These fish are causing a ruckus. See? I feel like the rain and the moisture just brings out more vivid colors. It's really pretty. Beautiful adventure. Side quest of the day.
Some of this burnt. Is that a sign?
Is it a sign, or was it just...
Or was it me being dumb? Yeah.
Just remember who rules.
I'm on the dad talk train.
Just remember who rules this house.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Like, we have a different phone.
This dad talk.
Spicy since he got home from London, and I will say,
I was surprised that like I got along with Chase.
Okay, I just made this like cucumber sushi crab kind of craziness. Not bad. I definitely put in way too much mayo, but several different recipes of variations of this that I'm gonna try over the next couple of weeks. So if this one's not perfect,
uses a bicycle as a percussive instrument. She'll perform excerpts from Bike Concerto, her four-movement concerto for solo, bicycle, and orchestra.
okay, I have a confession to make. Today, I'm supposed to be playing on the radio on WGBH. One of my favorite, like for the culture show, basically. I actually quit. I quit this project. As a musician who freelances, it takes a lot for me to step away from something. Some things went down. There was some drama that just got worse and worse and worse, and it's exhausting, and I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. A large part of me accepted the gig because we were playing on GBH, and I've never played on GBH, and I want to. So I'm not doing that today because I stepped away from the problem. I stepped away from the project. It's hard to explain. I felt like I was gonna die at one point. Like, actually, I think life will lead me to GBH with just a better crew. 99.9% of the crew, absolutely great. But I'm still gonna tune in because honestly, like, it sounds like everything has gone wrong. Like, all the ensemble members got an email at 2 o'clock in the morning containing pertinent information for today. One of the tires popped during the first sound check, which actually didn't happen because the radio station was running so far behind. Like, I just had a bad feeling about it, and I had a bad feeling about the New York performance. I had a couple of recitals to attend on the day of the New York performance, so I couldn't, but I just felt in my gut that was not gonna go well, and it didn't. I'm just dying at the fact that one of the tires popped during sound check. Like, keep driving around, maybe grab a lunch, grab an ice drink, something, a little treat.
With an orchestra, Bike Concerto, a four-movement concerto for solo, bicycle, and orchestra. Fairly early on in the process.
What it's been like for you. What it's been like. Let me tell you what it's been like, Jared Bowen.
A tour of Bike Concerto.
Tell them about the death van. Hello? Oh.
Congratulations.
Great job, guys.
Colin's been gone this whole week. He comes back super late tomorrow. At the end of the day, he's got like this whole nighttime routine where like he does the dishes, he makes some tea, drinks his like he's got like a whole thing that he does to get ready to go to bed. Without those cues, last night I was up till 3 a.m. watching Mormon Lives, and I was like, I'm a little bit tired, and then I looked at the clock and realized it was 3, and I was like, well, shit. So I'm a little tired today, and I've been a little tired every day because I've been staying up. But I still have a 3-hour rehearsal to go to tonight. I think a shower will do me a lot of good. And tomorrow's the concert, so it's like it's all music that we know. Like, we've released 2 albums, and this is music that we've been playing now for some of it for years. We can definitely do it on one rehearsal because we're all professionals. Okay, we are showered. This is my outfit of the eve. Be happy as a clam. I got this in Provincetown. Did I leave enough time to eat? Nah, I'm not surprised. Why would I have planned that appropriately? I know that I have everything for my bass clarinet because I did practice yesterday. But I guess I'll just like eat when I get home. That's kind of been my schedule this whole week. Having meal prep makes that super easy because I can just like zoom in, plop something in the bowl, heat it up, and eat it. I'm ready for rehearsal, so I'm gonna put on my sneakers and head out. So this has been my evening routine. as a bachelorette this week, apparently. I'm eating my salad that I made. I'm watching Mormon Wives, and I'm eating my meal prep like a good girl. Meal prep. There we go. Pretty low key. I'm not partying till 3 in the morning. I just can't remember to go to bed. It's concert day. Slept in a little bit today. I actually called off of like work because I have teaching today too, which I thought I didn't have, but whatever. Look at that kitty in the sunshine. I'm going to have a nice, nutritious breakfast and then go for a walk. I kind of hit pause on the 75 hard. I'm not gonna start over. I already have 15 days banked. The reason why I don't feel like I need to start over is because I've still been eating really well, drinking all my water, doing at least one workout. So like I've been maintaining. Like I took basically a couple of recovery days. I had some really good momentum and I'm looking forward to starting that up again. But I've also had like some unexpected things happen. So I've just been pressing pause. Like I said, still getting plenty of exercise. I hate it when an avocado is all pit. I got avocados to go in this salad that I made, and then I forgot that I had them, and then I put them in the fridge. I'm gonna make like avocado bagel topping. This avocado does not look as good as I want it to. They all became ripe at the same time, and then I got busy and there was nothing I could do. Because either they all become ripe and you gotta eat them all, or they're hard for 7 days and then they're soft, like immediately. We're supposed to wear our Improbable Beast t-shirt. I think this looks pretty okay. I'm wearing like this silky dress underneath. I know, baby. Let me, Hey, sweetie. I know, baby. I think this looks okay. I have to watch the footage to make sure it's okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, I don't love the sandals. Are these shoes too fancy? Do these look better? Do you like them? Do you like them? What do you think, little one? Option number 2 is kind of like a hoochie mama dress. A little bit. Yeah. But it's also like a short sleeve dress, so there's like, it feels bulky up here, but I don't. Let's review the footage. What do we think? Oh. Hi, baby. I know, sweetiekins. I'm gonna hairspray my hair while it's still damp so that the curls hold better and it dries better. But I think I am gonna go with silky dress, and hoochie mama dress will come out another time. Okay, what outfit did we decide on? We're going silky, going formal. I brought the shoes with me because why not? It's like formal on the bottom, party on the top. Anyways, I've got about an hour. I'm gonna use that time just to like warm up and play a little bit. Let me show you this case. This case is such a flex, honestly. Like, it's like the coolest thing, and I've got stickers all over it now, and you know, you just got it. So, in the comments of this video, in the comments in the description, there will be a link to 2 albums. 2 albums. Because today we are having our double release album show for the Improbable Beast. I swear, it's like every other video is an album release. This is like so exciting. It's gonna be at the Lily Pad, which is like the best venue ever. And it's been a little while since like we've played with this configuration. I think it's gonna be crowded, and I think it's gonna be really fun. And I've got a lot of friends coming, just like a lot of new faces who have never heard us before. There's like a ton of stuff on YouTube. If you just like search Improbable Beasts, then you'll find it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get to the venue early, like embarrassingly early. Nearby there is like a little convenience store, and I can get my concert Cliff Bar. The food that I made is a little bit higher in lactose than I'm comfortable eating, and I know that Cliff Bars are safe. Safe foods only on gig days, especially if I'm gonna be out of the house for a while. I also want to put on my heels to like get used to playing in heels, so this part is the bane of my existence. Okay. Okay, does my makeup look cray? I did it in terrible lighting. I think it looks fine. Turns out I'm not gonna be as early as I thought I was. I'm just gonna be regular early. We've made it. I am parked so close to this car and so close to that car. We're in a spot and we're here. Hello, Karen.